Guys, I'm about to show you how to use the most incredible leads tool to get all of the phone numbers and emails from the Google search leads that you're trying to do. So let's get straight into this right now. So simply just click on the extension. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you want to put the keywords into the box and press start. Okay, your keywords could be anything. We've gone with plumbers in and the place we want to search. Then it's going to open a new tab for you once you hit the start button, and it's going to start scraping the Google search for your keywords. All right, guys. Just let me know how long it would take you to get on a laptop, type in plumber in Fargo. Okay, just one place. Remember, one place. And then go on there and search for hundreds of different plumbers in that place. Find out their phone numbers and find out their emails, which is what we're trying to do today. Guys, remember, we're doing this with 10 different keywords, 10 different places. That's how incredible, and we're already over 1,000 before I've even finished explaining to you what we're doing. So guys, how long would it have took you just to get 100? Put that in the comments for me, and I'm going to blow your mind of what we can do here. Now I'm going to show you how to download it and export all the information that we have got. All right, so simply click export, and then click the one that says download CSV. Do not click XLSX for this example, all right? Download CSV, and then drag it straight into your Google file. This is going to be super easy for you. Once you've dragged it in there, you're going to open it up and then continue to open it up by clicking open with Google Sheets. Guys, this is because it gives you the most expert format for what the tool does here, all right? So open up Google Sheets and you can see all the information it brings you all the way across to even the meta description. Look at this, I'll extend this. The meta description even comes in here for you, all right, and the meta keywords. So let's go back. Now we're gonna count how many emails and phone numbers we actually got. So on the right-hand side, I'm gonna do emails. On the left-hand side, I'm gonna do phone numbers, okay? So let's have a look, and I want you to, while I'm doing this, all right, not only guess how many we got in the comments, but also, I want you to tell me how long you think it would have took just to get 50. So how long would it take you to go on Google, type in plumber in, and then the city you wanna check, and go on there and find 50 emails for all the different companies on there. You got to go onto their website, find the email on there, find it out. Let me know in the comments how long it would took for 50, because I reckon maybe 3 days, maybe 2 days. All right, I'm showing you how I got this in literal minutes. I'm going to count them for you. I reckon this will be about the 900 mark, maybe 950. All right, I reckon I'll be close. It's 9:03, so very, very close. How long would it took to get 9:03? I guarantee you didn't think it would take you 3 minutes. So let's check the phone numbers on the left-hand side. There's always more phone numbers in business public domains than there is email addresses, okay? So phone numbers, because they have multiple. You're going to see here we probably have over 1,500 to 2,000. All right, different phone numbers. Now, let me know in the comments how long it took you to get 2,000 phone numbers by going onto Google, typing it in, clicking on the link, going to the website, finding the phone number, copy and pasting it, putting it in an Excel spreadsheet, and repeating that process. Or you could just click one link, that link down below, and get this tool. 2,310. There you go, guys. That's how easy this is. Now, guys, how do you download this Google Search Scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com, products, and go to the Google Search Scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open, and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack, because that gets you the best value out there, and you get 10 extensions in total, plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. There you go, guys. Hit that link down below to get this tool, and do me a favor, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell, and I'll see you next time.